Crab Rangoon, also known as crispy crab and cream cheese wontons, are a crowd favorite at parties and family gatherings. A perfect blend of flavors and textures, they're surprisingly easy to make. First up, we'll need to prepare the filling. In a bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a cup of well-drained crab meat, 2 finely chopped green onions, and a minced clove of garlic. To this, add a teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a pinch each of salt and black pepper. Mix it all together until it is well combined. Once the filling is ready, it's time to assemble the wontons. Lay a wonton wrapper flat on your work surface. Spoon about a teaspoon of the filling into the center of the wrapper. Moisten the edges of the wrapper with a touch of water, then fold it over the filling to form a triangle. Press the edges together to seal them tightly. Ensure there are no air pockets inside the wonton. Now comes the exciting part, frying the wontons. Heat up your oil in a deep fryer or pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Fry the wontons in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. They'll need about 2 to 3 minutes to turn golden brown and crispy. Once they're done, use a slotted spoon to lift the wontons from the oil and let them drain on paper towels. Serve these crispy, golden parcels of joy hot with your choice of dipping sauce. Sweet and sour sauce, plum sauce, or a simple soy sauce and rice vinegar mixture work wonderfully. Remember, you can always adjust the filling to your taste. Some folks like to add a pinch of sugar for a slight sweetness, or a dash of sesame oil for added depth of flavor. And if you're watching your waistline, you can bake the wontons instead of frying them. Simply bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden and crispy. If you enjoyed this recipe, do subscribe to Magnolia Moon and help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Happy cooking!